It hasn't been long I came out of the world of Joji. Malayalam movies have constantly proved that you give them a story, they will fit in and make it convincingly presentable to the utmost possibility. Malayalam filmmakers consistently showed that they don't need a multi-million chase scene, a fancy set, or a foreign location, or any item dance performance to keep the audience engaged. Showcasing pure nativity, ground reality, realistic characters, and true and acceptable scenarios are always been the strong points of Malayalam cinema. After watching an amazing adaptation of Macbeth in the movie Joji, I was struck by another simplified brilliance, Nayattu the Hunt, which was released at the same time as well. Nayattu is a story of three local cops leading their basic middle class life with almost all middle class issues. They happen to involve in an accident case during an election season. The first 40 minutes of the movie does serve as a prologue to the rest of the movie. There is a particular part where you can feel the tension is building, and after that, it just stays on. I should have to give a shout out to the director and the writer because the story written, directed, and choreographed is as realistic as possible. What makes it more realistic is the escape routes discussed are totally convincing. The political scenarios, discussions, decisions taken are acceptable. On top of all, the acting of almost everyone is as on point as required. The cinematographer of Nayattu had his fair share of showing his shots of Western Ghats when the characters happened to travel through Munnar. But the story was so gripping and tensed, the refreshing landscapes didn't help much.
ത്തോളം പോലീസുകാരാണ് പ്രതികളെന്നാണ് കരുതുന്നത്. അവർക്കെതിരെ കൊലക്കുറ്റത്തിന് കേസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
I really did wanted to talk more about the movie, but I retreat, as I don't want to break the ice or give out any spoilers. All in all, the movie is intense, realistic, gripping, and a must watch. The movie is available on Netflix. Please go and watch now. And once you're back to thank me, you can like, share, and subscribe as well. Now go.